What's going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now today I'm going to be talking about the all-new confirmed color for the 2020 Mustang, and it is the Grabber Lime color. Now people have seen this color in person and it's not exactly matching what Ford released a few days ago for St. Patrick's Day. I'll get directly to the point. I mean, I could talk about it for 3 minutes and then finally show y'all like most other YouTubers do, get more watch time out of y'all, but I'm going to get straight to the point. Now first up, it's going to be what Ford actually showed us. This right here is, in my opinion, I really like this green. It's metallic, it gives a very aggressive look to it, and I mean, I just like it because it's something different, and no other car out there has this color green. Versus what we're going to be getting in person. Now this right here is the same exact color green, and me personally, I'm not a big fan of it because it looks exactly like Dodge's color. I don't know exactly what they're calling it, but it looks exactly like their green. Now me personally, I'm not a big fan of it. I mean, it looks more like a pale green to me. It's not what Ford showed us. I mean, that first one, like I said, is just, it looks aggressive versus what we're going to be getting. I mean, it just looks eh. Now the two other color options are going to be the Iconic Silver, the Red Hot Metallic, and the Twisted Orange Metallic, which the Twisted Orange Metallic, my favorite color hands down. Now that, I mean, I hope it makes its way to the normal GTs, but if it only stays with the GT500, I totally understand that, but it is just an aggressive color. I even like it more than the competition orange. Now that's my favorite color as far as GT500s go, because with all the lines, with all the vents and everything, that orange metallic just really goes together with the GT500, gives it a really aggressive look, so that's my favorite color. But shifting back to the Grabber Lime, I really wish that Ford, they would go with a more advertised color, that metallic look, because with the pale lime, I mean, I just don't like it too much. But let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Am I just being too critical? Is the palish lime, is that one better, or is the metallic color better? And what do y'all think of all the other color options available? But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.